Hello. We're a band called Militarie Gun. Thank you so much. It's very late. This is the latest we've ever played. Thank you so much for being here. This song's called I Never Fucked Up Once.
Said something I don't wanna admit, I wanna forget. You said something I don't want, that I regret. What you say in a day and it terrifies when you're caught in your way with nowhere to hide. When you wish you could stay, you've been feeling fine. You did something you didn't want, and now it's your name. And now all your friends have left. They left you in shame. What you say in a day, this terrifies when you're caught in your way, nowhere to find. When you wish you could stay, you've been feeling fine. When the blood is deep out, it expects a life. So how you been? So where'd you go? So how you been? What you said in the day, and it's terrifies when you're caught in your way with nowhere to burn. When you wish you could stay, you can feel it fine. When the blood is deep out, it expects a life. First blush, deep breath, fixed assembly hand now. Blindfold, taste test, feel my emptiness out. Pressure cookers got me running. Pressure cookers got me running. Pressure cookers got me running. Well, God damn it, takes took something to forget now. Tightrope slipping, one step I'm flipping out. Pressure cookers got me running. Pressure cookers got me running. Pressure cookers got me running. Got me running out. Got me running out.
Hello, how are you feeling? This is really weird. I can't hear my voice, and I hope that it's all right. I'm sorry. So apparently, all the other artists did not have live instruments. So we're the only one, and therefore they did not know about monitors. Which, that's to say, nothing but love and respect. This is amazing. We're really appreciative to be here right now. This is a great experience. The fact that this was announced like an hour ago and that anyone showed up, let alone all of you, is a huge honor. Thank you so much. We're going to attempt a new song for you that we'll be releasing soon. I hope you like it. It's called I Thought You Were Waving.
Trying to keep myself out of trouble, I just didn't understand. I froze. I thought you were waving, turns out you were drowning. Really wish I could read your mind. Thought you were waving, turns out you were drowning. Pull me down, just save me next time. Well, now I saw you through the window of another burning house. I just thought you lived there so I wouldn't shut my mouth. I froze. Hanging off a cliff, so you reach for my hand. Giving signals that I don't understand. I froze. Thought you were waving, turns out you were drowning. Really wish I could read your mind. Thought you were waving, turns out you were drowning. Pull me down, just save me next time. Well, now I saw you through the window of another burning house. I just thought you lived there, so I wouldn't shut my mouth. I froze. Falling off the cliff, so you went in my hand. Giving signals that I don't understand. I froze. If you've been waiting and waiting, pull me down, just save me next time.
All right, we have 2 songs left, and we really appreciate you being here. Is anyone on drugs right now? Hell yeah. This goes out to anyone who's on drugs, anyone who's trying to get off drugs, anyone who's off drugs. It's called I've Been Feeling Pretty Down, so I get very high.
never thought I could get away with it. It's a dream, not one wants. Presence of past life begins to look. I've been feeling pretty down, so I get very high. I've been feeling pretty down, so I am very high. Ooh. It's a punch to the face, the way I'm left in my distance. I've been feeling pretty down, so I get very high. I've been feeling pretty down, so I am very high. I don't mind, I don't mind. Ooh, 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 ooh.
I won't say much, but I will say, if there was a time to be irresponsible, it's right fucking now. Cause we want all of you to do it faster!
I've waited long enough. Plateau up, ain't nothing to do in a day. Ain't nothing to do but wait. Find myself just sitting around. Push me out, push me. Waste my time, waste my life as I sit and wait for you. I don't see what's up to me. Why I got to be your stool? Ooh, ooh. Don't get yourself too winded. Try to get up, get out of bed. Still here, waiting around. Push me out, push me. Waste my time, waste my life as I sit and wait for you. I don't see what's up to me. Why I got to be yours too. I don't care what you do, just do it faster. Spend your time getting high, play some roles till you die. Ooh, ooh. Thank you. We're Militarie Gun from Los Angeles, California.
We play tomorrow night. We hope to see you there. If the awesome people of Primavera will let us do it, we'll do one more. Please, please, one more. Is my mic on? No? Mic on? No. Oh, song 2. Is my mic on? Check. Check. Is it on? It's on. My mic is on? No, my mic is off. Check. It is on. Okay, thank you. I don't know. I'm telling you, I had no idea here in the middle. All right, we're gonna do Ain't No Flowers and then.
Ain't no flowers, ain't no boots. Try to bury the trick. Dry morning slam is a disgrace. Handle it now, ain't no time to wait. This is what he sees. I can't be me. This is what primordial slam is a disgrace. Handle it now, ain't no time to wait. Running round and my head check by a jumbo check. It wasn't easy, but nothing is. When I feel every minute, when I'm busy I'm needed, when I'm lying I'm easy all of the time, and I'm never sure why I need you. With the picture, yeah. Got my head done when I was young. It's not my problem. It's not my problem. When I feel every day, when I'm busy I'm needed, when I'm lying, I'm easy all of the time, and I'm never sure why I need you. With the nature.